Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox game mobile-friendly. Begin by designing your user interface for smaller touchscreens, making buttons large enough for easy taps. Keep your game world optimized for performance, using efficient assets and simpler visuals where possible. Remember, a smooth experience is key, so streamline interactions and avoid complex mechanics that require precise mouse control. Focus on core gameplay loops that translate well to mobile. When adapting your game for mobile, proper UI and UX are crucial for player enjoyment. Ensure your game's interface elements, like buttons and joysticks, are at least 35 pixels by 35 pixels, making them easy to tap. Use Roblox's UI aspect ratio constraint and automatic size features to ensure your UI scales proportionally across various screen dimensions. Also, consider placing critical UI elements within the thumb reach zone for comfortable one-handed play, which greatly enhances the mobile experience. Performance is paramount for a smooth mobile experience, as devices have limited processing power. Aim for a target frame rate of 30 frames per second or higher on most devices. Reduce unnecessary parts, triangles, and textures, especially for objects that are not central to the gameplay. Implement efficient scripts, using local variables and avoiding excessive loops or frequent server-client communication. Removing physics on static objects can also significantly boost performance, making your game feel much more responsive. Thorough testing on actual mobile devices is essential before releasing your game to a wider audience. Use Roblox Studio's built-in device emulator to check layouts, but always test on a physical phone or tablet to experience real-world performance. Pay close attention to loading times, input responsiveness, and potential lag spikes. Collect feedback from a diverse group of testers, addressing any pain points with controls or visual clarity, ensuring a polished and enjoyable mobile experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.